In this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can share a BeReal post on Snapchat. So open up the BeReal app. You might be on the Discover page. Just go to where it says My Friends. So you can quickly find your BeReal, or alternatively you can tap on your profile icon at the top right. And go to your memories. But I have this one right here. Yes, all you need to do is tap on the BeReal. And you'll see the Snapchat icon at bottom left corner. Just tap on the Snapchat icon. And make sure you're logged into your Snapchat account before you tap on the Snapchat icon. That will open up Snapchat and then it will load up the BeReal into Snapchat. And as you can see it says check my pictures on the BeReal app with your username and a link. Finally you need to do is tap on Send to. And you can add this to your story and or send it to someone on Snapchat.